Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa Absa 1.5 liter electric kettle. There's an image of this electric kettle right on top. There's a maximum capacity of 1.5 liters and it also comes with 1-year warranty. There's some extra information here. This comes with a 360-degree cordless base, brush finish stainless steel body, power indicator light, concealed heating element, auto shut off. It's powered by a 1350 watt heater. Okay, and that's more or less all the information here. I'm going to open this and show you what's inside. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, this is the heating component, the main unit in fact. This is where you'll find the heating coil, which is inside. And not just that, it comes with this cordless base over here, so you can tie the cord around it once you're done using it. And this is the electric kettle in question, the Inalsa Absa 1.5 liter electric kettle. It comes with a stainless steel body. It's a 1.5 liter kettle, which means it's actually one of the smaller variants. It does have a very large ergonomic handle right over here, which is made out of plastic, but it's still pretty solid and looks very durable. So when you want to use it, all you have to do is pour water in here. Oh hey, there is a document inside. That's nice. So over here you have instruction manual and warranty card for the Inalsa Absa electric kettle, which you should read at least once. Every information that you want can be found over here. So that's there. So how to use it is very simple. You just have to pour water over here, close the lid, connect it, put it on top of this heating unit, and then just start heating. And then just press this button to start heating. What will happen is this particular indicator will start glowing, but once heating is done, this will switch off, and this button will also automatically come down to the off position. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Inalsa Absa 1.5 liters electric kettle.